Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing? I hope and trust God has kept you all well. Thank you for coming back to watch my video, especially those who return and watch. Thank you so much. If you are a new subscriber, you are so welcome to the family. Thank you so much for joining and for clicking on my channel. So today I'm going to show you my new kitchen utensils. Okay, I'm not doing an advert for them, but they are from Salim. Okay, they are German made. Yes, they are made from Germany. So why these things are like this is because first I was trying to record and then I realized the camera wasn't doing any justice. So let's try to do this. I'm shooting at night because I'm super busy during day. So let's get into the video. So we're starting from this. This is a spoon. I'm calling it a saucepan. This is a spoon for serving. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be a bit brief. So this is a spoon for serving. Okay. This one here is a chopping board. I don't need to open it. So I had already opened these utensils of mine when I was shooting the first time. So this one here, I don't know, how do you call these saucepans which have handles? There's a name we used to call them in the village. Anyway, so this one's my favorite. I love this. Every time I open this is my favorite. Like, just reminds me of, we had this kind of saucepan in the village and it used to be my favorite. Anyways, so this one here is another one. It has holes, and guys, this material is super strong. Okay, now this one here has holes. I guess I'm assuming when you cook spaghetti, you can just pour it here so that the water drains out. If you have another use that you know that I don't know, you can tell me. This is also another one. So these dishes, actually, these containers, you can actually use these saucepans as dishes as well. You can use them. Ouch! You can actually serve food with them. Oh my God, I want to break my things before even using them, man. Okay, so this is a pan. It's a bit bigger, so you can't just use it for only frying like eggs. It's really big. You can actually cook sauce using it. It's so heavy. Hey, you hear that? So heavy. If it lands on your leg, oh my God. And then this is, you can even see it's written there, Germany. Anyway, and then this one here is for frying. Let's say fries, chips, sausages, fish. So you just do this. You can remove these handles, this handle, and then also put it back. So you just dip this one into the oil and you're good to go. So these are covers. I really don't want to explain so much about covers. They're used for covering the saucepans, in short. So this is the second biggest of all the saucepans. So since I don't have that, I don't have a big family, I don't have, we are like 2 people. Once in a while when I have some visitors, but still, I haven't gotten those numbers that can make me use this. So if you have visitors, it's Christmas, it's a reunion, a party, you can use this for cooking, and they can as well be used for serving. You get? Then this one is the biggest of all the saucepans here. You can see, super big, and you can as well use it for cooking, like really, like if you have a function, if you have a big you know, number of people visiting you, you can use that. Personally, I don't know, but I know one day I'll use it for cooking for people. Hey, this one is a smaller one. You can use this for cooking liver. You can use this for cooking sauce. You see, or rice. Let's say your fuel. Like personally, I think I would use this since I don't really cook so much. I cook a little food for just me and whoever comes around and a few people I live with. Okay, and then this one here. So this is the smallest, followed by this. So the rest of the things, these are covers. Every saucepan here has a cover. Then I didn't want to follow the order because I'd already disorganized this thing. Then these ones here, I don't know how you call them. Please drop down in the comment section and tell me their use. Okay, I'm thinking like if things are hot, if the saucepan is hot, you can just, you know, put it on top of this. Or if let's say you're serving and you're using them for serving on the tables, you can just put them like, anyway, you know what I'm saying. Yes, there are 4 of them. Then there are these small dishes. You can use this for peanut paste, you can use them for sugar, you can use them for anything. They're just plastic. And then this is also a part of them. These are covers. This is the smallest saucepan. This is a kitchen scissor. Yes, and then this is a blade for like peeling. You get? You want to peel an apple or anything. And then these clips. Please drop down and tell me how to use these. They are for clipping, but I don't know, like, you see? I'm thinking maybe you can clip them on the wall, on the, I don't know, and then hang, I don't know. Tell me, drop down drop down the comment and tell me I use. And then we have the openers. These ones for opening the sodas. I call them openers. I don't know if that's the name. Drop down in the comment section. And this one is for whisking. Let's say you have eggs. You call them what? Whisking or beating the eggs. That one. This is its purpose. And then these ones here, I think you've seen them. You've seen these in the restaurants. They are for salt. There are 2 of them. You can use them for salt and then put on the table, the dining table, or give to people when they're eating. This spoon, as you see it here, is for serve. Oh, okay. Can I say what? Okay. What I know is this is usually used to separate like the meat from the sauce. Let's say you're putting food on the dining and you want to put the soup alone in the container and the meat separate from the soup. Is it making sense? So this one, you scoop, leave the soup to, you know, flow out, and then to drain out, and then you remain with only the meat and put it in the right container. This spoon, I don't know how it's called, but what I know is for turning. Let's say you fried an egg, you can use this to turn. Okay, I don't know its name. You can let me know in the comment section. This is the grater, or the grater. It's for grating carrots and those things for grating. This one is also a cover, another cover for another saucepan. Yeah. And then these are spoons. But these guys, one thing I don't understand is a dozen of these tiny forks. I don't know if you can see well. They are super tiny. I don't know if they are for babies, they're for kids, or I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't get it. They are super tiny. And then also another dozen of the small spoons. You can use them for scooping sugar, or those who do baking. Like personally I like to bake. So you can use those for measuring or scooping, like let's say turmeric or baking powder, you know. So there's another set of small tiny spoons again, and then the bigger spoons. So one thing I felt, okay, that either they just missed out, or I don't know, I felt there should have been the bigger forks, since they are bigger spoons, instead of these tiny forks. I think it's the only issue I have with this company. Please, I don't know if you forgot to drop them in, but all these tiny forks, I wish and put also the bigger forks for eating. These ones, that's the only issue I have, because looks like you cared so much about the small kids than the adults when it comes to forks. Anyways, so this one here is for holding hot stuff. Okay, it's for picking stuff, or removing something from the oven, and then this one here, drop a comment and tell me what you use this for. It also has a blade, so you can. So that is it. If you have watched this video up to this stage, kindly drop a like, hit the like button, subscribe if you have not, please share if you don't mind, support your girl. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and that's all I had for you today. Until another day, I love you so much. I love you so much. So that is it. Have a beautiful day and God bless you.